Hello, YouTube model railroaders, and a special hello to all you Pittsburgh Steeler fans out there in the Steeler Nation. I know there's quite a few of you. Today I'm going to be reviewing and running the MTH Premier Line Pittsburgh Steelers Super Bowl freight set. This set was released back in April of this year, 2002. It was a very limited set. It was an uncatalogued set, and it was released mainly to MTH dealers in western Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio and northern West Virginia. And this set has sort of dried up. It's a very hard set to find right now. One thing I would like to say about it, I'm not real happy with the packaging. Whenever Lionel comes out with a specialty set, it's always packaged in a nice master carton with nice graphics and everything. And if you want to put that train set away for a while, you can store it in that. The MTH, this set here, it actually came packaged in just a brown cardboard shipping carton. The diesel engine now, it was in a separate box. It came in a nice box with a picture of the Pittsburgh Steelers engine. And the boxcar boxes, they were kind of generic. They were just a plain black box with the NFL logo. And I think MTH failed on the packaging of this, although the set itself is magnificent. It's detailed, and it's just very beautiful train set. The set consists of General Electric Evolution Series ES44 AC diesel. That's one of the newest diesels that the railroads are running. Comes with all the detail you've come to expect from MTH Premier lineup. Has the metal handrails, the metal chains at the front and back of the engine, safety stripes on the steps and handrails. The paint job is first rate. It comes in the beautiful black and gold with the Steelers block lettering. Has the see-through grills on the radiators, the roof fans, the spinning roof fans. I would like to see MTH in the future make the fans motorized to make them spin, somewhat similar to the GE Evolution Series engine that Lionel just come out with in the Legacy Series. It has all kind of crisp detail on the engine. Has little logos, danger signs, the whole bit. The set also comes with 6 standard O-gauge 50-foot double-door boxcars. Now each one of these boxcars are decorated representing all 6 Super Bowl victories that the Steelers have won. And each boxcar has the Super Bowl logo from that game, has the date that the game was played, and the final score, which of course the Steelers won. The Steelers, I might add, are the only NFL team to ever win 6 Super Bowl trophies, and I hope that continues. I hope they still keep bringing them back to Pittsburgh. And bringing up the tail end of the train is also a beautiful modern era extended vision caboose. It's also done in beautiful black and gold Steeler colors with the block lettering. Has a detailed interior with a brakeman figure in it, and also has a red light at the end. I would like to see MTH make the light so that it would blink, but you know, it's still a very nice caboose. But overall, the set's a fantastic set. If you can find one, I don't think you'd be disappointed. And before I run this set, I'd just like to say one more thing. Go Steelers! Bring another Super Bowl victory back to the Burgh. Okay, I'm going to run this engine for you guys in the train set, and I think you'll enjoy it.
Steelers second and 10. They motion out of the double slot left. Hines Ward settles right. And they hand it to Willie Parker. Finds lane. He's on his way. The quick break, 45-50. Willie Parker, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Willie touchdown. Willie Parker, 75 yards. And this place is the Steelers maniac pavement. Great job by Bannigan kicking out the backer. Unbelievable play. Trying to make it a 14-3 lead. The kick is good, and the Steelers score quickly. Steelers football continues with a score. Pittsburgh 14, Seattle 3. Second down and a long 5 to go for the Pittsburgh Steelers, about 5.5 yards. And Bradshaw drops back. Bradshaw looking and firing downfield. There goes one. He's got it inside the 5 for a Steelers touchdown. He beats 2 defensive backs, going into the ear and pulling it in neatly. Quad goes up on the shoulder of his teammate, and Rod Perry and Nolan Cromwell have been stung by the USC Flyer. Luke Quad takes it for the touchdown. A perfect strike by Terry Bradshaw. I love it. Here is Matt Barr heading to point after. Well, what do you think about that? The Steelers move ahead, 17-13. They pitch it to the left, and now here's the handoff on the reverse. Antoine Randall out. He's going to throw it down the field. Here's the man open. Touchdown, Pittsburgh! Hines Ward! The Steelers score from 43 up on a gadget play that they worked on in practice on Friday. The extra point team is on. The Steelers with a 20-10 lead, trying to get that lead back to double digits. Or actually, it's there now, but they're trying to get it to 11. Radaki with a hold. Good snap by Warren. The kick by Reed is on its way. Puts the upright to the Steelers. Have an 11-point lead with 8:56 to go. Steelers football continues with a score. Pittsburgh 21, Seattle 10. Bradshaw giving it to Harris, getting a key block from Mullins, running to the left, running to the right, and a quick touchdown to Pittsburgh. Jerry Mullins giving the block. Mullins holding it, blocking for Franco Harris. Harris running wide to the left, walk into the end zone for the touchdown, and the Steelers are on the board with their first TD of the afternoon. And Bradshaw rolls right, puts it wide open in the end zone. Randy Grossman takes it for the touchdown. They crossed him up. They had 2 tight ends, and they had Mullins going in motion, cutting into the line, and Dallas was geared for the run. They did not get the run. Bradshaw took the ball, put quickly to Randy Wilson, the second-year Madison Temple, wide open in the end zone for a Pittsburgh touchdown. Third down and 5. Slot right formation. Bradshaw is back there, and he fires. Caught by Stallworth at the 35, breaks the tackle, comes over the 40, the 45, the 50. He's breaking down field, finds the Dallas 30, the 20, the 10, the 5. A touchdown for Pittsburgh. 75 yards for the penalty marker. Nope, it stands. 75-yard strike to Johnny Stallworth.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video I will be posting will be a review of the MTH SD90-43 in the Electromotive demonstrator colors. Thank you.